EID Parry is an institute which gives you opportunities to overcome any kind of fear or apprehensions that you're having. It provides you with opportunities to come out or step out of your comfort zone and sees to that you contribute well and discover the better version of yourself. It is a kind of institution that nurtures or encourages women's participation in its journey for greater cause. This kind of work culture has really helped me to face a lot of challenges in my family too. It has really helped me on how to handle critical or sensitive issues in my family, on how to handle it calm, how to handle it in a much ease way, on a much calmer way.
Navigating difficult situation in workplace requires a lot of patience, clear communication, and empathy from our side. Empathy is not just a value, but it is embedded in our daily interactions. Whether it is listening to a colleague's concerns or offering a helping hand during stressful times, empathy helps us to foster trust and teamwork within the workplace.
When I develop a product, when I do research in terms of which gives a value, nutritional value to the mothers, which gives value to the consumers. Maybe in sometimes I try to create a clean label product. So this is what motivates me to do more. The feedback of the consumers, feedback from the end users gives me motivation to do more. And when I am motivated, my team is also motivated to do the same. So this is how I empower my team members to to continuously innovate and continuously break barriers.
Bringing ideas to life requires vision and strategy, which is absolutely right. Having a certain amount of ground reality check also acts as a catalyst to achieving this vision more efficiently and faster. So what I do right now gives me a lot of joy. So that is my biggest motivation. And all women I know are wired to think big and in a holistic way, and they're also receptive to changes around them. So which I believe it helps me to make an impact in the work.
Strength and pursue whatever we want to do. Secondly, we should not let anyone to extend our limits or set our limits. Finally, we must have courage to ask for what we really deserve.
Sometimes we may face some challenges in balancing work life and family life. During such situations, we may take a call based on the priorities. Keep working hard to pursue your dreams with passion.